Okay, I bought the GoPro 7, the Hero 7, and this is what it comes with. The case and the GoPro. And I use it with gloves on a lot of times. So my problem is it's hard to press this button with gloves on. So I purchased this waterproof version. It got a nice button. I don't know if you can see the button. You hit that, be easy to do your gloves on. But the only problem with this, it's waterproof. I guess it's for going diving. If you want to go really deep, it's totally waterproof. And if you put the GoPro in here to use it, you can't hear when you're talking. So I'm gonna try to modify this because the GoPro itself can go down 33 feet and I'm not planning on going down that deep. So I'm gonna use this and modify it. And what I have to do is, right where that black dot is, I gotta drill a hole in there. That way it's the speaker on the GoPro is in that spot. That's where the speaker is. Or the microphone, I should say, for your GoPro. And there's another one up here. So I'm gonna modify it. When you put this in, this one gets covered anyways. So I'm just going to try modifying this case with that hole, and we'll take a couple of videos with the GoPro running, both with the audio and with it being original, and after I modify it, and see if there's going to be a bigger difference. I'll get back to you on that. Alright, so that's what I'm planning on doing, and hope it all works out. Okay, I set up my GoPro on the little stand it comes with, and this is the case. I'm testing the audio. This is the factory case that I'm using right now on it. I'm going to install this case on it. Like I said earlier, I'm going to modify it because this is totally waterproof and it's sealed, but when you talk into it, you don't get any audio. So I'm going to do a video with the original case, which is doing it now, and I'm going to put it in here and take another video and talk the same thing, and then I'm going to modify it and we'll try to test again and see what happens. Okay, this is with the other case on, not modified, so you probably won't be able to hear me. I'm only going to go a few seconds. I took off the other case, so this is what it sounds like. The case, original, all sealed. Okay, I'm going to shut it off. Okay, I did have to add another hole because I wasn't getting much audio, and I did add the hole in the top even though it's covered by the clasp. Hope this works, and if not, we'll have to see what else I can modify. Catch you on the update. Okay, this is the test after I modified the other case there. I was making some modifications for the microphone, and I got it right this time. I didn't say speaker for the microphone, and I cut out the back, and I'll show you that later. I just want to see how this works for the audio, and I hope it works because I went out today after work and I used it on a dig, but I don't know if it's worked or not, but I'm trying this first. So I hope everything worked out well so I can start digging. Okay, here's the case. I modified it. I cut it out so I can use still get the touchscreen on the GoPro. So I cut that out. I made this a slot for the microphone, and this for the hole for the speaker. Okay, and I also did put the other hole in there for the other microphone. All right, I hoped it worked, and it seems to fit pretty good. And that button is awesome. It beats the trying to hit the little button on the GoPro. I mean, especially with gloves on. Okay, thank you for watching.